Well, first of all, we recognize everyone is entitled to their own opinion and their right to raise their concerns. But to reiterate, the Committee on Ethics and Privileges cannot yet hold meetings at this time or conduct hearings since its membership has yet to be formally manifested during plenary session. Just to give you the timeline, I was designated as chair of the Committee on Ethics na wala namang gustong kumuha. A day before we adjourned, no? I think that was October. Then
Mm.
when we resumed session, November, that was already budget hearings, no? Wala na kami plenary session, budget hearings until December. And then after budget hearings, BICAM. So after BICAM, nagkaroon kami ng isang plenary session, but only with the only agenda was to approve the BICAM report. So there was no chance really for the committee members or the composition of the ethics committee to be read in plenary, which is a requirement for it to be constituted. So hindi ko po kasalanan, gustuhin ko bang magkaroon na ng hearings or actionan yung mga complaints. I cannot because the committee has not been constituted as of the moment. So hopefully when we resume this January 25, it can already be um, read already in plenary and constitute already the ethics committee.
Sure, so no negligence on your part.
I don't think so. Yeah, even if I would want to, but I cannot, no, because there's no committee members. It's only me. And ano eh, it has not been formally manifested and completed. So yun ang totoo. So even if we cannot yet hold meetings or hearings because as I mentioned, hindi pa to formally constituted.
Sure, for the record lang, not because you're friends with Senator Cheese. Kaya po ito na-delay.
I don't think so. And also, I think Atty. Asiron has to also, he's a lawyer. There are rules, no, na there are already 4 or 5 complaints in the ethics committee. Pang-apat na yung kay Senator Cheese. Hindi naman pwedeng dahil gusto mong unahin yung sayo na complaint, uunahin. So, first in, first out po tayo. Just like in any other court or any other organizations, no? First in, first out. First to be filed will be the first to be heard.